guys, see. Wait, I see one. This is the ball or the betta fish, and this two. Okay, let me get this one first. Let's see together. Oh, nothing. This one. I saw you guys here. Oh, see, a lot of fish. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, a lot. You see at the back of me also the fish. He already dead and smell is not good. Here, ball. Oh, the ball here. Oh, I see the ball. Let's come. Okay. Oh! Oh my God! It's red color. Oh, big crab, guys! Big crab. Oh my God! Oh, guys! They stay in the waterfall here. Oh my God! Hey, hello guys! Welcome back to my channel. And today I'm going to find other betta fish again. And we have a big rice field here, but right now a bit floating, and they don't have rice. They don't do the rice because a lot of water. And I coming to find the betta fish here because you see, I hope that here the betta fish have a lot. So I'm going to find some today. I hope I can find some. Okay, guys, let's go with me. I want to try here, back here, in front of me. Oh, nothing. Oh, I see the frog. It's the baby frog. Oh, they gone already. Right here. Ooh. Oh, I got two. I got two, guys. You see this? It's not big. It is small. This one is green color. It looks so cute. It's cute. And this one is look like gold color. Okay, guys, we get two. So I put in my jar. You see, this is one betta fish and one, I don't know what the name of this one. One is a betta fish. Okay, guys, let's find some more. I'm feeling the smell. It's bad smell. Oh, I see the fish in the net. Maybe the people, they put the net here and they didn't come to get the fish, and the fish is dead. I saw you guys here. Oh, see, a lot of fish. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, a lot. You see at the back of me also the fish. He already dead and smell is not good because I think maybe 3 days. They dead 3 days already. Big fish. I see big fish. Okay, let me. I think that there will be a betta fish here. Let's go with me. Oh my God, the big leaf. Oh, now they gone already. Oh, ball, guys, see. Oh, wait, I see one. This is the ball or the betta fish, and this two. Okay, let me get this one first. Let's see together. Oh, nothing. This one. Oh, we get one, guys. Oh, we might.
It's not the tabish.
It's not the
kind of the ball. I think this fish they made it.
I don't know the name of this fish in English, guys. If you know, please comment on the below video that I can know this name. Okay, guys. You can see. Okay, so now we continue. I think maybe here. Let help me get the jar. I try out there. Oh no.
No. Here, ball. Here.
Oh, the ball here. Oh, I see a lot of ball. That's fine. Okay. Oh, oh my God! It's red color. No, it's not red. A bit red, red and green, guy. This is the ball of this fish. This it's red and I think they have baby. Had a big stomach. I think the baby inside. So I will put in at my pang at my house. I will get the baby soon.
Can you try to find the ball? Here, I see one.
Oh, okay. Very big ball.
Very big.
This is big bad ball. My God.
Wow.
Okay, let's see.
Right.
Let's see together, guys. What we get it. Oh,
No.
nothing. Oh, I see one more here.
Yeah.
See the ball here
Oh.
and the worm on the top. But that's okay. I don't scare on the worm. Oh, big crab, guys! Big crab. See the big crab.
Wait.
Oh, they go. Okay, let's go. Okay, guys, I think we go there. Have the water floating. We fall down, the water fall down. That right here, you see the buffalo, guys. This water is not deep, and the buffalo normally they put here to eat some grass.
Right.
No, nothing. Okay, let's go to the waterfall there. You hear the sound, right, guys? It's a waterfall. Because last night a lot of raining and floating. Oh, guys, I see the fish. Oh my God. That's a fish, guys. Yeah. Coming. Oh my God. Oh, guys. They stay in the waterfall here. Oh my God. This is a red color. Oh my God. This is maybe they come from that water because here the big lake here. You can see in front of me. See the big lake. And I know that the people tell me this place they have a lot of bettafish and they have the wild bettafish. So right now we see two. Come on, guys. See, beautiful. This one. Oh, maybe they try to go somewhere else. See, guys, this blue color with the long fin, and this red. Oh my God! They go! Come on, guys, go in my net. Okay, we get one. Yeah, this one, guy, here. Oh, they try to go. Oh. So here we get two, guys. So one is red and one is very blue and very long fin. Okay, so we keep in our jar here. Go! Oh! This is the blue color. Woo! Very nice, guys. So today we get two. No, not two. It is beautiful, and other two is it look like green and red, and the other two is the blue color, very blue, deep blue, and other one is the red color. It look like red color. Red color, I don't know what is the red color. So thank you very much, guys. Hope to see you next video with our discovery in the next bettafish with me. Thank you, bye bye, have a nice day.